name is Stella Metsavas, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cup of coffee. Now, coffee is a huge component to the Mediterranean diet, believe it or not, because there's two reasons really that make it so healthy. Number one, a lot of studies have provided us with the health benefits of the polyphenols found in coffee. So that would be reason number one. Reason number two, coffee is often enjoyed in Mediterranean cultures through social occasions, believe it or not. So many times people will gather not only for the food to go out, but they'll just gather to have a coffee and to talk, to relax. So the way you're going to make a delicious cup of coffee is by, number one, making sure you have really good coffee beans, okay? You want to make sure they're stored properly. You're going to want to grind your coffee right before brewing. This is very important because if you're purchasing ground coffee, what happens is all those oils have already, almost in a sense, oxidized in a way because you've ground the coffee and stored it. So it's best to grind right before you brew. Now, you need to make sure that you also use the right proportion of coffee to water. And make sure that when you heat up the water, you do not want the water too hot, okay? Because if you have too hot of water, it's going to sour the coffee beans. So you want to vary your temperature from about 195 to 200 degrees. So for a 32-ounce French press, we're going to use about 7 ounces of coffee. You're going to pour the hot water into the French press halfway, okay? So make sure it goes halfway. And then you're going to pour the remaining about a minute after. Put the lid on and do not press it right away. Leave it sit for about a minute and a half to 2.5 minutes until it nicely goes down almost effortlessly. You're going to want to serve this with your favorite whole milk or even almond milk, my personal favorite. I do not advise adding sugar to your coffee. It's just not really a good idea to have sugar and caffeine together. It really sets up a bad exchange when it comes to your insulin and glucose levels in your blood. So please try your hardest not to add any sugar to your favorite French press coffee that we made today. My name is Stella Metsavas. Keep healthy.